Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a few solutions of the problems that hopefully you've already looked at and attempted yourself. This is just so that you can get some extra help if you didn't know how to solve some of these problems. So we're just going to do some selected problems from that problem set. Okay, here we go. Okay, it looks like we're going to be using rule number 1 where we add exponents. Just remember that we can only add exponents when the number or the variable here is the same. So I can add the exponents for the 3's and I can add the exponents for the 12's. So in this case we're going to get 12 to the 6 plus 28, well that's 34, times 3 to the 203 plus 4, well that's just 207. And that's all you can do with this thing. These numbers are probably too big if you try to do them in your calculator. Next example. Okay, we're going to be using rule number 2 here, I think, where we subtract exponents. So we're going to get 2. 5,000 minus 4,995, well that's just 5, which happens to be 32. Next problem. In this case, we've got a combination here. We've got a combination of rule 3 where we multiply exponents and rule 4 where we have more than one thing being raised to a single power. So in the case, I do each thing separately, right? So I have 3 squared, well that's just 9. I have y to the 4th raised to the 2 power. I multiply the exponents and I just get y to the 8th. There we go, we're done. Next problem. This looks like a combination problem, some kind of combination of rule number 3 and rule number 4. Let's do the top separately from the bottom. A to the 7th raised to the 2 power. Well, that's just a to the 14th, since 7 times 2 is 14. On the bottom, it's the same thing except it's 3 and 4. I multiply those two to get a to the 12th. And to get the final answer, I just subtract these exponents to get a squared. And in our final problem, again, kind of a combination of a bunch of these exponent rules here. Once again, let's do the top separately from the bottom, and then we'll try to simplify. So for the top, u squared to the 4th power, that's just u to the 8th. And it looks like I just have a v to the 4th power, so v to the 4th. On the bottom, I've got u squared, and then v squared squared, which is 2 times 2. So that's v to the 4th. So in this case, it looks like we're going to be able to cancel the v's, and the u's, we're just going to subtract the exponents, and that's going to give us our final answer, u to the 6th. I hope that helps, and I hope you did well.